is infrared. And we're looking at the Woolworth building, so you don't have to. It's Monday, April 15th, tax day. But that's not why we're here. So, at the Manhattan foot of the Brooklyn Bridge, I should say, again, it's a little bit before 10 a.m. It's supposed to go to 76 degrees today. Right now, it's at least in the mid-60s. Very nice. After having many days of heavy rain. And one PP, one police plaza, and then this, not sure if anyone is actually inside that building or it's still just switching equipment. But is this a magnificent entrance? Gustavino tile as the subway entrance built directly as part of the construction of the municipal building designed by McKim, Mead and White. Or is it a misleading entrance to a urine-soaked hellhole? There was an article recently, maybe in Gothamist, about two stations that they consider kind of exemplars of their era that have been allowed to decay, and this is one of those two, the other being 190th Street on the A train. So we'll explore that later, part of a different walk, but now we're going to look at the Chambers Street stop on the J&Z. So, subway time. So far, so good. So, this is the Broad Street platform, or the platform for trains going to Broad Street. In Manhattan. Lowest Manhattan. So this looks like a late 50s, early 60s platform extension. Not consistent with the station, which was built probably around the same time as the municipal building, 1908 or thereabouts. So they do have this mosaic of, is it the Brooklyn Bridge? And then it looks like there's some kind of center platform that is abandoned. There are two side platforms that are mostly abandoned at Hoyt-Schermerhorn. Yikes. So the northbound side, this side going to Jamaica via Williamsburg, Bushwick, and East New York. So that's it. They've put some kind of temporary covering over the original mosaic walls, it appears. So, and smell-o-vision would give you at least partial indication, or that it's a partially urine-soaked hellhole, maybe just a heck hole. But I haven't been in this station in a while. Frankly, rarely do I look up at the ceilings. So I will not say anything more about this device. So I don't see any more mosaics of the Brooklyn Bridge. Hopefully they've preserved more than one. So let's just take one last look. Okay, let's appreciate this while it lasts. This is infrared. This is what you've been watching.